I was so disappointed in cooking this pork shoulder. The end result, if you want to see it, stay tuned and let me know what you think in the end. But let me tell you the story. So I went to my local butcher and decided that I was going to cook some jerk pork in the oven. I was so excited in cooking this meal. I don't eat pork very often. Maybe just the odd pigtail. I'll buy some to cook stew peas. But I don't really buy pork that often. So on this time around, I decided that I'm going to cook some pork shoulder. You know, nice piece of pork on thing with some rice and peas. Yeah, I was feeling it. So I decided to make sure that my pork is well seasoned. I will leave it in my description, the ingredients that I've used. I'm telling you, it was so delicious. But in case if you want to know, I use some garlic powder, onion powder, seasoning salt, black pepper, salt, Old Bay, meat seasoning. That's like a chicken seasoning. But it was good. I didn't have any pork seasoning. I also had a few pimento seeds, cloves, ginger, and also fresh garlic. As you can't cook pork without having a little bit of cloves and some garlic and also ginger. Ginger is one of the main things. Onion, sweet pepper, thyme, and scallion. But I will leave it in my description so you can check it out. I barely have any pimento seeds, but then I went into my cupboard and I found some ground pimento, which works perfectly. Because it's jerk, you have to put something pimento in it, or else it's not gonna be the same. It's gonna be like just a brown stew pork. But this was the result after I've seasoned it. It looks really tasty there, looks inviting, like yes, you want to eat it at the end. Look at that. Yes, so I marinated my meat overnight. That's the best way to go once you're cooking for Sunday, you know. Season everything from Saturday night and then cook Sunday morning or Sunday afternoon, whenever time you want to cook. So I decided that I was going to sear my meat. I pop everything in my oven tray and pop it in the oven. When me put it in the oven, I'm take it out. Look here. When me look, it look like a pig trotters when it come out. I'm like, what the hell is this? This don't look like pork shoulder. It look like the pork leg, the upper part of the leg. So that's what I got. I did not get any pork shoulder. This made me so disappointed because now you have more skin than actual meat, like the lean part. And I don't really eat the skin part of it. So this made me so disappointed. And there was so much bone in the middle. I wasn't happy about it. Luckily, I was cooking two meat, so it was two meat Sunday. So, it worked out. But nonetheless, the flavor of the pork, everything shrink, to be honest. You see, I like gravy. I use it and baste the meat because I want it to crisp up in the oven a bit and make it nice, give it that jerk flavor because you don't want it like stew. I wanted it like the meat a little bit more dry. So I baste it a bit and pop it in the oven to get some color. And this was the end result. It was very nice. It came out very, very tasty. And it wasn't dry. The meat was tender, very nice. I had it with rice and peas, vegetable, and some corn on the side. But the meat wasn't a lot. And that's what made me disappointed. But guys, if you like this video, please like and share and follow for more. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.